Hello, Steve Guzowski here, your statewide safety manager. I want to take a few moments just to talk about disinfecting our PPE, namely our safety glasses today. CDOT's been doing an outstanding job getting messaging out, and I've seen employees washing their hands regularly, disinfecting surfaces, especially our vehicles with the new program out. Social distancing has been outstanding, especially amongst our maintenance and traffic crews to still get their job done, yet still maintain that distance to the best of their ability. But some things I think we're taking for granted is our safety glasses. And this is something that, of course, you've been told for weeks now, don't touch your face, don't touch your face. And then here we are putting these on, touching our face, taking them off, touching our face. So it's something to pay particular attention to when we're disinfecting maybe surfaces or washing up for the day, to clean and disinfect your safety glasses. And for the next few moments, I'm going to show you how to do that properly.
No matter what eye protection you use, regular cleaning and disinfecting will help reduce germs spreading to your hands and face and prolong the life of your PPE. When choosing a cleaner, avoid using any harsh chemicals that could damage delicate lenses or special coatings, especially those found on prescription lenses. Using a mild dish soap is the best choice to clean your eye protection. Also, do not use Brillo pads or paper towels to avoid scratching delicate lenses. A soft cloth is your best option to clean your eyewear. When cleaning your eyewear, only use cool or warm water. Wash all surfaces, paying extra attention to those parts that touch your face, like temples, nose pads, and any neck lanyards. After washing, rinse the eyewear thoroughly using clean water. Dry your eye protection using a clean, soft cloth. If available, using an approved lens wipe will help provide a clear, streak-free view after cleaning lenses. When cleaning other types of eye protection like goggles, the same recommendations previously demonstrated should be followed. Just pay particular attention to any special features like eye cups, shields, air vents, and neck straps. Once cleaned, disinfecting your protective eyewear can be accomplished using common household bleach and warm water. The recommended safe mixture is 50-1, which is about 4 teaspoons of bleach per 4 cups of water. Use a container that allows the eyewear to be fully submerged. The recommendation is to keep it submerged for at least 2 minutes to kill any germs. If you don't have a container, using a spray bottle with a 50-1 bleach mixture will also work. Spray the mixture to wet a soft cloth and then clean the eyewear carefully. After using bleach mixtures, always follow with a thorough rinse using warm or cool water and dry with a clean soft cloth or approved lens wipe.